Cinco de Mayo.
I know where you're right. He is a lifestyle expert and one of our very good friends. And today he's here in our kitchen making tortilla chip chili pie just in time for Cinco de Mayo. Welcome back to our home, Chadwick boys. We're so excited to have you, Chadwick.
Cinco de Mayo is on Saturday this year, baby.
That's right. And you are
party time.
You're on fire, which brings me to our counter over here and our beautiful guest, Danielle Savory, who's on fire.
Literally.
The reason I'm saying that, her new show, Station 19, is literally on fire, and we're going to be talking about that in just a little bit.
Yes, we will be.
First, we're going to fire up your taste buds.
Oh, please.
You guys, digging into our Frito pie. So Frito pie, for those who don't know at home, is really a Southern staple.
It is, but it's 2 ounces, and you eat it in like 2 seconds.
I know, because it's so delicious.
So we're supersizing Cinco de Mayo this year.
You were kicking it up a notch,
Tortilla
Chadwick.
Chip Chili Pie.
In an
you ready?
enormous bag.
Yes, ma'am.
So it starts with our sautéing of the vegetables.
Yeah, so usually a base will be like carrots and celery and onions, right? But we've got 4 cloves of garlic, a small poblano, and a large sweet onion. And you want to just cook this down for about 7 minutes, see how nice and soft it is.
Okay, make
just
sure
like,
they'll sweat.
Yes. And, you know, Mark, usually I'm here and we're cooking bacon, but we're doing turkey this time. We're cleaning things up.
Health.
So Debbie, if you want to grab, that's a pound of ground turkey.
Okay.
Just put that in here.
But you could do it with anything else.
Yeah, you know, if you're a traditionalist, you could do ground beef, a pound of ground beef. But if you're plant-based, you can add some ground tofu. It's delicious.
Tofu,
Now,
really? I didn't even think of that.
Yeah, the cool thing about this, with turkey in particular, in 5 minutes, this is going to cook like super, super fast.
Okay, because it's lean.
Yes, but for the magic of television, let's get to the flavoring here.
All right.
We have diced tomatoes.
What is this?
And grab your tablespoon with this. Now, this is, have y'all heard of chipotle and adobo?
Yes. Oh, my goodness.
So they are smoked jalapenos in a can with all this wonderful juice, and it's like really smoky flavor.
That's beautiful.
We take 2 heaping tablespoons in here.
Oh, look at all those, the seeds. That's where the heat is.
So if y'all like a lot of heat with your food, like for me, I would dump the whole thing.
You know what, Chadwick?
Okay, come on.
Let's just
Debbie, you're my kind of girl.
Go ahead.
All right, so black beans.
Black beans. This is pretty simple.
Pretty simple, but a nice different twist on a chili, right? And then the last 2 things, Debbie, grab a teaspoon of salt.
Okay.
To mellow out the smokiness of the jalapenos, it's a tablespoon of honey. People are like, what is that flavor?
He's calling him honey.
There you go. Mix it all
So
together.
you'll want to cook this for about, mix it all together, and then cook it down. You want to put a lid on it, turn it down to medium for about 20 minutes.
Oh, okay. So low and slow.
It's ready to go. And the great thing, now, look, smell,
I mean, it smells, the whole kitchen is
like
smelling
simmering.
amazing.
It's so delicious. But you can cook this the day before. So on Friday for Cinco de Mayo, you can cook this, and all those flavors will be ready.
Well, and if it'll last in your refrigerator.
All right, so let's get to the fun part, Debbie.
Yeah, this is what really.
This is
like
the craftiness right here.
When you go to someone's house and you see this bag open like this, it's so cool.
You want to just take your scissors and cut down the center, and then
spread it open like that.
And
let's go like
take the pleats.
Okay.
I've never seen that.
I hold this.
Never seen this.
Oh, what? Because you guys aren't from the South.
You hold that.
This is honestly.
That's a great way to save on cleanup.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Dishes.
This is gourmet in the South.
This is better than nachos, y'all.
It's way better than nachos.
Yes.
It's so fun.
Spread it on top. Now, you don't want to use all of this, so just put the rest in a pot, because everybody's going to do that. Now, look, you can get a little messy.
That's
here.
okay. That's what happens.
Well, that's what
You just serve it like that and put that out on your table?
No, sir. We're going to put some of these toppings in here.
Now,
so,
traditionally we put sour cream on this.
But for you, my dear, we're doing Greek yogurt. So squeeze some lime in there.
Isn't that interesting with lime?
Yes. It thins it out and gives it a little bit of texture, a different flavor. I've got this fresh salsa here. That's the very thing on top. This has a little agave in it, so it's going to mellow out that smokiness. Now, we put that whole can of chipotle and adobo there.
So it's got to be hot.
Yeah.
Right, so we mix this
that
together.
Up. Put the the thin Greek yogurt.
See, that's nice how it thins
You know,
it
I
out.
don't
there.
like sour cream, and I
From
kept
this
getting
other-
and I actually pushed it to the side at first, but it's because it's Greek yogurt. I love it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's
nice,
really
right?
good.
Yeah.
I love
She's
Greek
good.
yogurt.
I
can't
Is your mouth on fire?
No, it's so good. That smokiness
There you
is delicious.
go.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very
Okay, now.
And then your favorite fixins, I like Fresno peppers. That's our green onions.
Okay.
What are
Some
those
calla. These are red Fresno peppers.
Fresno, okay.
They are sold next to the jalapeno peppers.
yeah.
in the
Okay.
grocery
That's
store.
And of course, you got to do the corn.
Well, we also
Yes,
do
you have
some
to have
cheese,
corn.
baby.
Yeah, well, let's do
cheese
the
on
cheese
top.
after.
Is this by the way, is this a side thing or is this the main thing?
So this is the main thing. You could put this on a cookie dish. We've got this on a large platter like this, but serve it with the remaining chili, and you've got a meal. I like to do some charred corn, a big thing of it.
Yeah.
So when it's in season, you can grill it like later in the year, but you can just take frozen corn, put it in a cast iron, get a nice char on it, with some lime and some butter, and serve that on the side with some margaritas like we have here.
Just like that,
Wow.
you're good to go.
A party, y'all.
There you go. Now, don't skimp on that cheese, Chadwick.
Okay.
Look
Well,
at that.
Wonderful.
That is beautiful.
You guys enjoy that?
there we go.
Isn't it good?
And here
And a squeeze of lime
Little squeeze
of lime.
with some
This is really good.
There you go.
cilantro.
Debbie, just do a face plant in that thing. That's all you need. Just go for it.
Here you go, Chadwick.
Now you guys are eating on these really
the
cool
bamboo. Yeah.
Yes.
But they also have bamboo forks which you can serve too. You get them at any party store.
Oh, fun.
Entertaining.
How can I even
Oh,
get in
thank you,
here?
Chadwick. All right, for more information on
Dig in,
Chadwick, visit his Facebook page. Information is there on the bottom of your screen, facebook.com/Chadwick Boyd. And check out hallmarkchannel.com today, Cinco de Mayo, whenever. We'll be waiting for you. It's good. It's so good.
Oh, it's amazing.
You have your chocolate dish with your mouth full. Coming up, Kim is bringing the heat. So
Well, you know how I always bring you my favorite beauty products? Well, today are my hottest ones ever, and I'll show you why just in a little bit.
And speaking of heating things up, Danielle, we are so excited to talk to you about your new show, Station 19.
I'm very excited to talk about it.
I mean, you're on fire, legit.
Yeah, am I right now? And my mouth's on fire. So it's good. We're all good.
But up next, we are sitting down with Dancing with the Stars co-host Erin Andrews.